Hello, and welcome back to the evaluation apps in an English online learning. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on Edpuzzle. Create your course and invite your students to enroll the class. Edpuzzle is a marvelous app to create video lessons. It is perfect to train skills such as listening and also speaking, so they can learn how to pronounce different words. It is very interactive and it's very successful app. I have tried it myself and I highly recommend you to use this app. The first thing will be to type edpuzzle.com in your web browser, and then you will be directed to this screen. Okay, this is the home page of Edpuzzle. First thing, as you are new to this web page, will be to sign up. The program will ask you if you are a teacher or student. So of course we are instructors, and the easiest thing to do for you will be to sign in with your Google account. If you are working in a public or private school, you will normally have a Google account for education. So if you press the Google, a window should have pop up and your account should be displayed. Once you have selected your Google account, you will have to type your name, last name, and this data is already filled with your Gmail information. You have to write down your password. And this referral code is optional. If you are in Edpuzzle referred by a colleague, you will benefit from having extra features for your account. Edpuzzle, it's a free-to-use app, but also has this pay mode. In the free service, you have a limited number of videos, normally 20, and if you recommend this app to your colleagues and they register with your code, both of you will receive extra storage for your account. Now you have to start by typing the name of your school. And if your school is already registered, all the teachers will be registering this educational environment. You have to select the grade. In this case, let's try ages to 7th grade. Remember that this is an American app, so we are talking about English. And of course, you can add another subject or grade level. Start teaching your content. This is the first thing you have to do. Okay, add content so you can send it to your pupils. Before that, you have to, of course, create your classes. You can link it with the Google Classroom if you're using the app. If you're using Google Classroom, it's really easy to embed both of them. We are going to do it the normal way without using Google Classroom. We are going to create a class. English class. Two types, classic. Your students log in, you get the most analytics, and this is very interesting, the analytics that Edpuzzle will show you. Or open, if you want to, students will have to enter the class with no account. I will go for the classic. Okay, here they have no assignments because we have no content yet. Now we have to invite our students. You have to verify your account first. To verify your account, they will have sent you an email like this, where you will just verify and then you can start using. Now, in my classes here, you have to invite your students. This is a legal precaution from Edpuzzle. Yes, my school can consent on behalf of parents per my local laws, or I have signed parental consent forms. This is normally done at the beginning of the year, when the parents know that their children are going to use educational apps. Now, this is the same as EduFlow. You can share the code. Okay, copy the link, share the code, or you can send emails. That's your choice to invite your students. Okay, now I have shared the code with my students, with these 2 students as example that I have created, these 2 fake accounts. Now they are enrolled. We have different options. Here in my classes, on the left, you will have all the classes that you have created. Okay, now I have 2 students. I can remove them because this is a normal mistake from my students, that they normally register more than once, and you will have more students than you need. You can remove them, reset their password if they forget, or you can edit their names if they have wrote or written funny nicknames. Now, you can also lock the classroom, so no more students, even if they have the code, can join. So this is very, very easy to do. This will be your home page for you. Tons of contents that we'll see in the next video. And great book when you start assigning assignments and your classes here. Okay, well, I hope you have understood all of this. And this is very easy to use.